is a severe weather alert.
An update now on the latest on tropical cyclone warnings and watches for both Queensland and Western Australia. There is a tropical low which is beginning to deepen in the Gulf of Carpentaria. It's located a few hundred kilometers offshore from the Weipa region at the moment, and a tropical cyclone warning extends from Weipa down into Corumba in the Gulf of Carpentaria area, with the tropical cyclone watch extending from Corumba to the Queensland Northern Territory border at the moment. It's looking like this system could develop into the season's fourth tropical cyclone as it gradually moves near parallel to the Gulf's eastern coastline. As it does that, it could bring gales with gusts up to 100 kilometers an hour in the cyclone warning area. Heavy rain is already occurring for far northern parts of tropical Queensland, and it could even intensify over the next few days. This amount of rainfall will also lead to a risk of flash and river flooding as well. There is a severe weather warning associated with this system at the moment. It extends all the way from far north tropical Queensland, including the Torres Strait area, down to the Weipa region, Cohen region, Cooktown, and also down to Cairns. This warning region is for heavy rainfall and includes you in Cairns. That heavy rain is looking to develop over the next few hours and into tomorrow. Several days of heavy rain will also lead to the risk of river flooding. Widespread totals between 100 to 300 millimeters are predicted across the Gulf Coast and extending to the northeast tropical coast. As such, the Bureau of Meteorology has issued a flood watch for this area. The Cape York Peninsula, Eastern Gulf, and North Tropical Coast catchments are most at risk, including the Barron and Daintree catchments close to populated areas. Meanwhile, off the northwest shelf of Australia, Tropical Cyclone Riley is still a Category 2 system and moving towards the southwest. That's the center of rotation over there. You can see it continuing to organize itself, but it is gradually moving further and further away from Australia. To its south, you can see bands of storms that are triggered by the outer bands of the cyclone itself, and we do have a risk of it continuing to do such features. There's a tropical cyclone warning in effect from Onslow to Wim Creek, including the Karratha area and the Dampier area. They could see gale force winds here with gusts up to 100 kilometers an hour developing over the next 24 to 48 hours. Now, the system will track near parallel to that Pilbara coastline over the next few days and strengthen. As it does, it brings the risk of triggering storms to this coastline fairly frequently and could also bring higher than normal tides and storm surge to the area as well. For assistance in storm damage, contact the State Emergency Services on 132 500.